Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Maddy. So today we are talking about one of the scariest thing you can see on your computer screen, the blue screen of death, also known as BSOD. Don't panic, it looks serious, but I am gonna explain why it's happened, how you can fix it step by step. First of all, step 1. What is the blue screen of death? Alright, so the blue screen usually shows up when Windows hits a serious error that it can't handle, basically a system crash. You will see something like your PC ran into problem, needs to restart. It can be caused by faulty error, bad updates, overheating, or even corrupt system file. So yeah, scary name, but totally flexible. Don't be panicked. First of all, you restart your PC. And troubleshoot. System recover. If they successfully recover Windows system files, that's good. Otherwise, follow this step. Check also physical RAM. Black dots on it. And replace the RAM. So your Windows working properly. Step 2. Check for recent changes. First thing, think about what you did before the blue screen started showing up. Did you install a new software, a window update, a driver? If yes, that's your first suspect. Try uninstalling that program or update. Go to Control Panel, Program, Install in a program, and remove anything new you added recently. Step 3. Update a rollback driver. Most of the time BSODs come from driver issues, especially a graphic or network drivers. To fix it, right click on Start, Device Manager, expand Display Adapter, right click on your graphic card and select Update Driver, search automatically. If the crash started after an update, click Properties, Driver, Rollback Driver. Sometimes an old version works better. Step 4. Run Windows Update. Always make sure your Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, check for updates. New patches often fix bugs that cause blue screen, so keep your system updated. Step 5. Check for hardware problem. If the BSOD keeps coming back, your RAM or hard drive might be the issue. You can test your RAM using Windows Memory Diagnostic. Just search for it in the Start menu and click Restart Now. Check for problems. And that's it guys, that's how you troubleshoot and fix the blue screen of death. I know it looks scary, but in most cases it's just a bad driver or crop file or maybe RAM issues, so replace the RAM, nothing to panic about. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Maddy Tech, and let me know in the comments what kind of BSOD errors you got. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.